Welcome! In this quick guide, we'll show you how to update Python on Windows 11. Go to Python's official site. Click on the Downloads tab. Here you will get a list of available releases. Download the version you need to upgrade to based on your system specifications, e. 32-bit or 64-bit. Here we will be downloading the 64-bit installer for 3.9.6. Click on the installer and it will begin the installation. Make sure to select the Add Python 3.9 to Path option and click on Install Now. This will start the installation as shown below. After the installation is successful, you will get the following message. Now if you open up your CMD and use the below command, you'll see your version of Python has been updated to 3.9.6 as shown below. Python V, thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.